Beautiful. But the cruel reality is that today we have therapies for most of the disease affecting the children on the picture and the video, except for one. The girl in the middle is suffering a rare disease without cure, a devastating disease. My name is Marc Martinell, co-founder and CEO of Minoryx, and we care for these children, we care for this disease. We are focused on inborn errors of metabolism. These are a group of genetic diseases that just in Spain affects every year 300 newborns. In Europe is more than 3,000. They are life-threatening conditions, highly debilitating. The most severe forms affect particularly children, which die in many cases before reaching adulthood. They have a high socioeconomic impact, both for families, for patients, for healthcare systems. Special support are required, very expensive, such as the wheelchairs. They need many years to be diagnosed, but the worst of all is at the end of the road, there's no treatment. 90% of cases, there's no therapy. At Minoryx, we are developing therapies for these diseases in order to improve their life, their quality of life, and survival. We apply our own technology, a proprietary platform that allows us to identify a new class of drugs named pharmacological chaperones. We also pursue a complementary approach, which is named drug repositioning. Our most advanced projects are on adrenoleukodystrophy and GM1 gangliosidosis, both devastating disease, very severe diseases. We have patents in both of them. We have potential to become first in class in both of them because there's no therapy in any of these diseases. And we are in conversations already with international partners in both. Our goal is to reach proof of concept in humans and at that point, license to a bigger company. And let me point out that though we are talking about rare diseases, diseases that affect few people, the market potential in sales for these therapies is significant, 250 million per each. As for the team, all the founders of Minoryx have previous experience in biotech companies and drug discovery, more than 10 years, in companies such as Horizon, Cristex, Bernalis in UK. This is well complemented with our R&D team, with a good experience also in many different companies and institutions, such as Almirall, Carobio in Sweden, Cenio here in Madrid, IDIBABS. And at the level of the board, we have the founders, the investors, and external members that bring a lot of expertise in many different companies, particularly in US. But after 2 years as since our foundation, Minoryx is more than this. We have a broad network of collaborators here in Spain, but also in Germany, in Japan, institutions, universities, the most important children's hospital, or one of the most important children's hospitals, patient associations, other companies, and we have been able to raise 1.7 million, initially our own savings, but also several public funds, and more recently, 2 of the most prominent VCs in the biotech sector in Spain, such as Inverready and Caixa. We have received several awards also, showing the potential of this proposal. And I finish here just with the vision that was the origin of the company. A better world where these patients have a much better life and the wheelchairs are used to take nice pictures, not for the day-to-day life of these patients. Thank you for your time and encourage you all, not only investors, you all, to help us on this. Thank you.